Hi guys, so I'll be replacing the battery for my HP laptop, HP NV17T. So I've already unscrewed this laptop, all the screws from here, and of course, yeah, the screws from within here. So there are like, yeah, 3 screws in here, 1, 2, 3, and then these screws from here. And yeah, I've got the battery, and I have got this screwdriver set, and I have this HP manual I have downloaded from HP website. So yeah, I will try to replace this battery now. Let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so finally I'm inside my laptop. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is the battery which I need to replace, and yeah, let's see. I've also made my notes, so I have made sure that I note down what kind of screw I have in these sockets, so that it's easy when I will, put this back in. Yeah, so yeah, these are all my screws. So yeah, I will try to open this battery up. I have the manual here, so yeah, as soon as this is done, I'll update you all. This is the new battery. I hope I'll be able to replace this battery with this one. So yeah, let's see. Hi, so here's the update. I have unscrewed all the screws from this which were holding this battery, and then we had this plugged in here. So the thing was that you need to unplug this socket which connects the battery, and then you just need to pull up the battery. So there you go, and I will just simply pull this up, and there you have it. So this is the battery, HP battery, and yeah, this is how it is. So yeah, now let me pull this one out and replace it here. So yeah, let's see how it goes. We'll keep you posted again. Okay guys, so this old original battery is out now, and this is the new one, the replacement battery. So actually I didn't got the HP make, so I had to purchase this one. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description box from where I got this battery, and it was delivered to me in Norway, and I had to pay a lot of money and taxes to get this delivered. Yeah, so I'll put down the description in the description box so that you can check it out. All right, so everything else is looking good. Let's just put this back in and try to turn on the computer, and let's see if it works. Yeah. Okay guys, so the laptop is back. I have plugged in the charger. So currently, as you can see, it says it says like 20% available, and it's charging. So things are looking good. Yeah, just one more update guys. So whenever I used to start this laptop, I used to get the warning message that the primary battery capacity is too low. So it was definitely telling me in the boot screen, that you need to replace your primary battery. So now I will try to turn it on, and let's see if I get that message or not in the screen. Yeah, so HP, it's turning on. Let's see. Yay. Okay, so no message. It just gave me this screen, and yeah, let me just quickly give my pin, and let's see. Yeah, I'm back in, and it's 23% plugged in and available. Looking good. Yeah, so I think everything is cool now guys. Everything is looking fine, and I will probably unplug since 20% is good enough. So yeah, if I unplug, my laptop remains on, means it's not turning off. So I think battery is functioning pretty fine. All right, so everything is looking fine for me for this laptop. So it was a successful DIY project. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.